Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. I have baby E here with me. She says hi. Say hi. Yes. Yeah. You're going to tell them what we're going to do today? So today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial on my updated braid out, which is this hairstyle here. And it's been a minute since I have actually done this style. I'm glad that I did it. The braids were installed for a couple of days and then I just recently took them down. So I will be taking you through the entire process, and so if you're interested, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. So I've already washed my hair. I semi-detangled it, and let me just say that postpartum hair loss is real. I have been losing a lot of hair lately. I'm just trying to get discouraged about it, but today we're going to be doing a braid out video. So my hair has gotten extremely long, and it's becoming harder to come up with styles that I actually like, and then being indoors to where I really don't have to style my hair every day, it makes it easier to continue to rock protective styles to minimize the shedding and manipulation and pull and tug on my hair, so it can get back into a more healthier state. So we're going to go ahead and get into this tutorial, and as always you can head over to the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com for more pictures and information about this hairstyle. So yeah, that's it for me, and let's get into the tutorial. has been completed, or the braids have been completed, as you already saw. So now, since I've finally pulled myself together, we're gonna go ahead and take these down. So I've had these in for a couple of days actually. So they're really, really dry, and some of them are actually starting to like fray a little bit. So we're just gonna go through the process of taking these down and showing you the end result. I am gonna be using a little oil to take them down. I'm just using, this is to help save my edges, but this is called Do Grow, and it's stimulating growth oil. I'm gonna put a little bit on my fingertips, rub it in. It's a very lightweight oil, so it's not gonna weigh my hair down, and I'm gonna just simply start from the back and simply just unravel carefully. So here we go. Complete. Actually, I like it okay. I typically do my braid outs like in bigger braids, so the wave is more of a looser wave, not as crinkly, but I do like the way it came out. Hair is very soft. It's turned out really, really good. So I'm satisfied with it. So I really do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial today. If so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye.